Hi, this is me. How are you? Today we learn about Bandicam software. Bandicam software is very easy platform for everyone. Every user like laptop, PC, you can record your screen like video, audio, anything. Okay, you can do it. So today we learn about Bandicam software, easily software, step by step. We learn about that. So let's go to already. Okay. First of all, you click on link and description also given you. Click on link here download Bandicam software, and also the another thing is keymaker application. This is for registration for watermark. Okay, so let's check it. We are install like here, for example, this is our Bandicam. This is keymaker and this is Bandicam software. Okay, click on this and here you choose your language. Click on OK, read and click on next. Click on OK. Here the step desktop icon. Yes, you need. Here you choose your destination folder where you install your software where you installing. Okay, after this complete our process finished, and close this everything and go to your Bandicam. Where are your Bandicam? We search this Bandicam. Okay, click. So let's check it. How is it working or not? So let's try it. Yes, this is done. You can easily record your screen recording. Okay, the screen recording software is easily platform for everyone. So please subscribe our channel, likes and comment, and click on bell icon. Thank you for watching.